Abusia, let me free OSP office diaba. Ye bedimu nkomo na mekaza high island media Ghana se ne kan ohweme so be subscribe no abo notification bell no so tene be ya da ne video beto on the first person na wonsa beka no mahu ne echo afeye monwura OSP letter ni mu for immediate release. OSP charges former NPA CEO and order for over 280 million Ghana cedis extortion and money laundering scheme. Yemurua letterim, Accra, Ghana. The Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP, has charged 7 individuals and 3 companies before the High Court Criminal Division in Accra on multiple charges of extortion and money laundering arising from a sprawling corruption scheme within the National Petroleum Authority, NPA. The accused persons are Mustafa Abdul Hamid, former Chief Executive Officer of the NPA. We Mustafa Abdul Hamid ono na no waye kasama for edema former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. Yes, no ho abasem. Jacob Kwamena Amwa, coordinator of the Unified Petroleum Pricing Fund. Wendy Newman, NPA staff. Albert Ankra, director, Kel Logistics Limited. Isaac Mensah, director, Kel Logistics Limited. Bright Bediako Mensah, director, Kel Logistics and Keynes Energy Limited. Kwaku Abuaji Akwa, Director, Keynes and Energy Limited. Promnest Limited, Care Logistics Limited, and Keynes Energy Limited. The charges stem from investigation initiated by the OSP in late 2024 into alleged unlawful conduct involving the diversion of public funds and collusion with oil marketing and bulk distribution companies. Now, so OSP patch say, sa investigation we know, and yeah, then a shot say, a few 2024. Some men no starting sa investigation we. A few to us between 2022 and December 2024, the first 3 accused persons acting under the color of their official duties allegedly orchestrated and operated a criminal extortion scheme through which they unlawfully collected 280,516,127.19 Ghana cedis from petroleum transporters and oil marketing companies. The scheme initiated by Abdul Hamid and implemented by Amwa and Newman lacked any lawful mandate and exploited their position within the NPA. Enkofo a yekom asemi eye enkofo a omoye adwuma e wo NPA ka NPA National Petroleum Authority. Sankofo we no hwe omanye fango nsem so se fa ne petrol diesel ene gas a sankofo we na ehwe eye yensem ohwe saa niema ni nyina na yesusu sika bi afa wonsa ase afa yemonwuram na yehu de enam so a eye sika no kwan ye fa so sika ne fa wonsa ase. From the proceeds, Amwa is alleged to have handed 24 million directly to Abdul Hamid between January and December 2024. Then I say, Amwa edisika 24 million Ghana cedis directly at the Amma Abdul Hamid. Okay, yento aso. An additional 227.2 million was channeled through Newman under Amwa's direction for further disbursement. Now I say, Amwa SNDC Kafofro Edema Newman se on fanko anonso on fankoma Abdul Hamid. Okay, yento aso. Investigation further revealed that the 4th to 7th accused persons, in collaboration with a fugitive director of Kel Logistics Limited, created and utilized Prominence Limited, Kel's Logistics Limited, and Keynes Energy Limited as vehicles for laundering the illicit proceeds. The laundered funds were used to purchase and construct houses, acquire trucks for an oil distribution business, and build fuel station, all as part of efforts to conceal and disguise the origin of the criminal proceeds. Aye. On my way. Wow. Yentu asway. All 7 individuals. Na mi kan kire we ni man sansan ya to aso. Na say sika na omoje ye no. Ade omode ye ne say omode sisi adan. Omode to trasa kese e de bi sisi fuel stations ye to aso. All 7 individuals and 3 companies have been charged with a total of 25 counts, including 1, extortion by a public officer, contrary to Section 151 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29. Conspiracy to commit money laundering, contrary to Section 23 of Act 29 and Section 1 and 12 and 4 of the Anti-Money Laundering Act 2020, Act 1044. 3. Money laundering, contrary to Section 1 and 12 and 4 of Act 1044. 1 or say to 2 AJ, a director of the 9th accused company, is currently at large. Na say say ni pa we ne de or say to 2 ne de wadwane ye hwe ne ba bia ye hu no. Okay. The accused persons have been apprehended and are to set to appear on a date to be determined the court for their pleas to be taken. The OSP reaffirmed its commitment to investigating and prosecuting corruption and corruption-related offences without fear or favor, and urges all public institutions to remain vigilant and report suspected cases of corruption. Adi ni tofa nyina ne say enye nkofo mbom din mabobom Newman ne Abdul Hamid mabobom din yesusu say omane company miense bi petrol company miense bi aka bom awie sika bi a tese ensika no enye sika ketwa na se sika we wo manyimu na se still yegususu se sika ne o manyimu a na se akwhye nkofo bi botom a tese omo ho omnya yenso no nya se omo de ade fufuro bia omo de kototo kasa kese eni sisi adan ya kese a tese omo for omo self ene OSP ensa so mu no OSP was starting some investigation of tese enye way back 2024 and was starting sa investigation we intino san kofi abobo mu din yedumba ko pie court na court edi won asem na se bobo womo a se ne mra ne se no yede won afaso na de wadwane no so de ye hwe no eye dan a yebehu no ono se yehunu a yedumba ko gina mra na no empanimfo mo manyi mu na se mo ye sa de we ya nti eye Ghana fo osu youth ni nya adwuma ne na okọ school wie kra benya adwuma ye no so ya asem wono so enya bia ye no so a yintimi ntwa wonka obi akatu atumi kam 3 months 4 months na mbae na nkofo osu ye demonstration na sika wei ahyehyɛ moto ewo krom ha adan na mudi nipa bone semsa. Well, this alleged case na emum ye do kwagina court na se bubu o mo se no kre o ma wi sika ne de a we de enye so mo nkwadam we de Ghana for de yesre ne se bubu o ma o mo fa yesika man. Yes, o mo ntue sika no because o mo kwadam a yenia ye taxpayers money ene ye san beto aduane am o madi o prison hono we nyi sika no ene ye giwi a ye de beyo mo no na ye de ayo mo aha aye ala media Ghana nsem ye ni de ekide de mefiri ma babia no Amenkamfo Security and Tech Solution Service Enfamount. So you be wesi a factory and as a company now per se security yet tie so per fence wall. Say ye electrify or fence no Enfamount. Na yen say ye mo a CCTV cameras. I be tra when na solar panels a beboa say light crack offer. Wo honum endum na light be na 24/7 me Kamfo Security and Tech Solution Service the amount from na enu enye adwuma from 0244 571 977 and 020 670 9117.